Finally, let's discuss the book report component of CR. As I mentioned before, students will write a book report when they finish reading a book, which means that they will only have this component on the even weeks. So on those weeks, finish reading the book with them along with the comprehension questions answered. So this is a book from our Seed 1 class. Let's say we finish reading this. So I'm going to close this one. And then I'm going to click on the Creative Reading button. And we have our book report page right here. Students will have the same page on their CR and CTP notebooks, so make sure they have those books out. Now the format of the book report is different each time depending on the lesson and the level, so make sure you look at Teacher's Guide and prepare it how you want to lead your students. So our book report looks something like this for Seed 1 level. And this is an example of a book report from a Sapling 1 class. So this is a teacher's guide I downloaded earlier from FTP. So as you can see here, the teaching guide has some sample responses we're looking for, and all you need to do is think of the right leading questions to get your students to answer these questions. For example, you could say, when we compare and contrast, we're looking for same things and different things. So who are the two characters in the story? Do you guys remember? Of course, it's Maria and Mrs. Duff. So in the middle here, let's think of the same things. What are the same things the two characters did together or to each other? What are some of the same things that they both liked? So let's write it down in the middle here. How about different things? What different things did they do in the story? So let's write down our different things. On the left-hand side, I want you to write down what Maria did. And on the right-hand side, I want you to write down what Mrs. Duff did. And so on. Once the students complete everything, including their star rating and their opinion as to why they get that rating, they are finished with their book report.